大家好，
欢迎来到 Mandarin Monkey.
Welcome to a Mandarin Monkey Lesson 39.
第39课，
在
lesson.
Hey! Okay, so in this lesson we're going to be teaching you about this character.
在
Today we're going to be teaching you four ways of using this. There are typically four ways. Actually, no, 5 ways of using this, which you'll find out sooner. So we're going to do 2 in this video, and then we're going to do 2 in another video, so you don't get too.
所以这一课会有2个意思在的用法，然后下一课我们会有另外2个在的用法。
Okay, so let's start with the first one. So, how can we use this? How do we say again?
再一次。
Alright, 再一次, that means one more time, right?
对啊 ，time 就是次嘛，再一次。
Okay, so
或
like
者
this.
你可以说再一遍。
再一遍. Okay, so 再一次 or?
再一遍。
Right, okay, got it. So what about another example?
再说一次。
Okay, so say it again.
对，所以你 put verb after 再说一次。
Okay, so you use 再 again, and then verb.
对，再说一次，我再说一遍。再看一次。
Okay, so watch again or look again.
对，看是 look or to watch。再看一次，再看一遍。
So 再 verb. Cool, got it.
还有再试一次 ，try again。
Ooh.
再试一次，
再试一次.
再
Okay.
试一遍。
Try again.
对 ，try again。
Great. And another example. Let's try another a way of using 在 would be more.
more。
Okay, so it can also mean more. Cool.
So let's give them a situation.
Sure.
So what kind of situation you will use more?
Let me think. Let's say, for example, I'm in a watching TV.
在看电影。
Yep, and I want it to be louder.
哦，声音太小了 ，this volume is too quiet. So
Yeah.
你要说 louder，再大声，大声
Means
big volume，
big volume, right?
对
Yeah.，
大声，所以再大声一点，
So turn it up a bit.
对，再大声一点，
So turn it up a bit.
是的。那如果声音太大声 too loud，you want it quieter，
Yeah.
再小声
So in this instance, it's
small volume，
yeah. Turn it small
小声。
volume a bit.
对，再小声一点 a bit，所以再大声一点，
Turn it up.
再小声一点。
Turn it down. Turn it down a little bit.
好，然后还可以说什么呢？比如说 the light is a bit bright，
It's too bright. So what would
too
you say?
bright， 所以你要它darker right，darker
Right.
暗，再暗一点。
Okay, so you have 在 again at the beginning.
是的，
在 and then
暗 means dark， so darker 再暗一点 a bit。
okay. And what about brighter? So if I want it brighter.
哦 brighter 是亮，
亮
再
okay.
亮一点。
在
Brighter.
亮一点.
是的，亮 bright， 再亮一点
Yeah.
a bit brighter。
Nice. It's practice time.
练习时间，
It's practice time. Again.
再
One more time.
再一次，再一遍，再一次，再一遍，
Say it again.
再说一次，再说一遍，再说一次，再说一遍，
Look again.
再看一遍，再看一次，
Watch again.
再看一遍，再看一次，
Try it again.
再试一次，再试一遍，再试一次，再试一遍。
More. Higher volume.
再大声一点，再大声一点，
Lower volume.
再小声一点，再小声一点，
Brighter.
再亮一点，再亮一点，
Dimmer.
再暗一点，再暗一点。